Hello everyone. Thank you for joining our GTC On Demand. This is Jess Wen, an account manager of Aetina Corporation. Before starting the section, I'd love to give you a little background of Aetina. Aetina was founded in 2012, and we are known as a long-term provider of high-performance industrial GPU. And in 2015, we released our very first Jetson platform. Ever since then, Aetina keeps pushing ourselves to make innovative development to meet our clients' needs. We would like to help them to step into the AI world more efficiently. The topic we like to share today is Make Your Store Smart. With the help of AI, image analysis technology enables an innovative business model for the retail industry. Let's get started. At the present time, go into a traditional brick-and-mortar retail store, such as a supermarket. As a consumer, we grab a basket or shopping cart and go aisle to aisle to find a grocery on our checking list. And we all have the experience of running into empty shelves. In this situation, we usually are not sure if the product is out of stock or it just not being replenished. Then we have no choice but try to find a staff and asking if they have more or just give up and buy a second choices. After all the efforts gathering everything we need, we must get in line, waiting for checkout. On the other hand, from the store manager's point of view, they need to make sure that the shelves are full and customers can always find what they want. So, they need staff to keep their eyes on the stock and replenish when it's empty. To solve the problems of long checkout lines, most supermarkets nowadays have self-checkout machines, letting customers check out by themselves to ease the loading of counter staffs and reduce workforce. However, here comes another problem: shoplifting, such as using self-checkout lane but purposely does not scan some of this item or scan the barcode of low-priced product but take the higher-priced product instead. To prevent such criminal acts, retailers will get surveillance cameras or security or both. All the issues mentioned above, long checkout line, empty shelves, and shoplifting, could be improved or even prevented by smart retail technology. The rise of smart technology, including AI, machine learning, and computer vision, is changing the landscape of retail. And COVID-19, the pandemic, is one of the stimuli that accelerate the shift to smart retail solutions. The global smart retail market is expected to reach $52 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 21.3%, which means smart retail will likely become a norm in near future. By collecting and analyzing customers' shopping history and preference through cameras or sensors, a traditional business model can be optimized with use of a variety of technology, which upgrades and transforms on existing bases, so to drive the development of smart retail technology. With the help of AI, machine learning, and computer vision, we could improve traditional retail with visual auto-checkout and smart shopping cart, improving the shopping experience by using consumer behavior analysis, such as people counting, customer dwell time, flow data in different aisles, and enhance store security by using anti-theft detection. Now, I will share some of the applications mentioned above. First, the auto checkout. Developing an automatic checkout system, it's a way to achieve a zero-touch transaction mode. The idea of automatic checkout system comes from improving the quality of consumer shopping. The efficiency of human checkout in the pre-staff training and checkout process will increase local business costs. Therefore, if AI could assist in automatic checkout, store owners can arrange their staff more flexibly. Retailers are facing rapid growth demands of digitalization and more intelligent deployment. But there are challenges of limited space, latency when connecting to a cloud database, and harsh environments like high temperature and greasy surroundings. The solution combined the Aetina Edge AI platform, which is powered by Jetson Module and Discovery's algorithm, as small and reliable edge computing hosts. It provides retailers a suitable deployment for quick and accurate product image recognition and an auto checkout system. After experiencing this pandemic, reducing contact has become a trend in response to changes in current events. Next, customer behavior analysis. With the pandemic as an accelerator, consumers have become to expect more and more from their shopping experiences than traditional transactional shopping we've done with retail brands. Above all, we want our shopping experiences to be personalized and useful at a channel we are familiar with. We want retail brands to meet us through wireless IoT devices. Emerging retail technology trends, including everything from real-time information being made available to consumers about a product they are browsing, to utilizing data to predict preference, to connected experiences being key to desirable shopping experiences. The challenges are to solve product wastage or out of stock, and product arrangement in retail stores. With consumer data collection and analysis, AI and machine learning are helping retailers determine if they are selling the right products based on a customer's demand and expectations, and assessing whether a product is in the right place, which helps to increase sales. By processing the data, like customer flow in store, retailers can decide if they need to open more checkout lines to reduce bottlenecks and improve customer experiences, as well as to analyze customer dwell time to determine shelf hotspots. Next, anti-theft detection. Shoplifting accounts for almost 100 billion globally. In order to prevent such criminal act, to install security cameras at key points around your retail store, complemented by video analytics solutions, can be a great theft prevention tool. The video analytics identifies whenever any kind of suspicious movement occur, like if customers are hiding products without paying, you'll get an alert when it's happened right away. with information on demographics, incoming and outgoing people counts, and heat map for more advanced visitor analytics. You can pinpoint the likelihood of theft with greater accuracy. With the development of AI vision software, based on computer vision, artificial intelligence, and deep learning technology, to develop video analytics solutions for the retail industry. How Aetina Pro AI service could help you with. At the edge service stage, Aetina contribute a well-integrated hardware platform and smooth the solution by rendering software supports. Series of AI performance, scalable for computing center and peripheral module with board support package integration in hardware solution. Handling varied requirements of smart applications. Besides, we cooperate with algorithm ecosystem partners in the diverse vertical market to strengthen the edge AI environment specialization. Aetina contributes capability properly to maximum efforts. Meanwhile, Aetina is delivering landings accelerators and platforms baking in software solution. Software service made the perfect bridge for the edge to the cloud, to the end vertical application, and the edge platform is in between as well. And there's 5 beneficial steps to market. First, Aetina is experienced AI solution provider that has in-depth research on AI construction. We serve the customers from the cloud to the edge and simplifying hardware section and software deployment. Second, we deliver hardware and software synchronously to enhance the solution's stabilities. And third, strong ecosystem. We keep connecting with varied partners is the core business strategy of Aetina. With management tool package, we keep it stable and strengthenable in changing environments. And last, security guaranteed. We promise security to our solution and reinforce in both hardware and software service. The reason we choose NVIDIA Jetson is because it's scalable from a single device to 1,000 devices. And it's customizable. It can customize according to customers' ground level requirements. And it's also flexible. Its small sizes is easy to allocate. And developable. It's easier to integrate with sensors and programmable logic controller than a traditional system. Currently, there are 4 models of NVIDIA Jetson series modules, which are Jetson Nano, Jetson TX2, Jetson Xavier NX, and Jetson AGX Xavier. TX2 NX is coming soon, with different performance and sizes. They are designed for versatile application areas. The Jetson Nano and TX2 are suitable for performing AI inference work at the edge. And Xavier NX and Xavier are ideal for building automated machines. Aetina builds ready-to-ship and well-featured functionality carrier boards and platforms. This helps you to focus on know-how and speed up time to market. To meet the versatile demand of applications, Aetina also offers customization service to fulfill each unique need. Now, I'd like to introduce our upcoming products, the Compact series. It's fanless, which makes it run silently. More resistant to shock and vibration, and more reliable. Without a fan, we could make it smaller, which can even fit into your palm. Moreover, with the advantage of its compact size, it's easier to allocate all your edge devices. To extend the storage of Jetson module, all the compact series has 128GB SSD NVMe, powered by Azure Sphere. Our out-of-band management SSD, developed by InnoDisk, could shorten the time for disaster recovery significantly through remote device management. To execute a system restore or restart without internal network, which also lower the risk of connection issue. Consider some of the applications that may need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. We have an M.2 key slot to support the optional Wi-Fi Bluetooth module. We designed 3 SKUs that support NVIDIA Jetson Nano, Jetson TX2 NX, and Jetson Xavier NX accordingly. Users can choose the Jetson module based on its performance, from entry-level to high performance. With its small size, low power consumption, and high performance, the compact series is suitable for needs of edge computing in various vertical industries. Let's take a closer look at SKU 1. The highlight is that it supports power over Ethernet. It's space and cost saving. Also movable with simple installation. As you can see the Ethernet ports at the bottom left. It's function as power device, so you don't have to connect to a power cable. Without the bulky power adapter and power cords, it could not only save space, but also make it easier to install and allocate. Even for an environment that is not so simply constructed, like the ceiling, street light, and factory. Without the limitation of wiring, it can be moved anywhere as long as it has Ethernet. As for SKU 2, it also supports power over Ethernet, but this time, it's function as power sourcing equipment, which supply power via Ethernet cables. As you can see the Ethernet ports at the bottom left. SKU 2 can support up to 2 PoE cameras, which simplify the wiring construction and reduce relative costs at the same time. The transmission distance is up to 100 meters, which is perfect for anti-theft detection. It can be installed on the ceiling to receive a wide angle of views on every single aisle. If there are any abnormal activities, the security will get the alarm immediately, and crime deterrence. Application scenarios is best for security and detection system on the ceiling, rooftops, shops, and street lamps. Last, the SKU 3, featuring 8 USB ports, which could support up to 8 USB cameras. Using USB cameras can reduce the time for driver integration, accelerate time to market, and reduce labor costs at the same time. This feature is perfect for auto vision checkout and consumer behavior analysis, such as detect consumer flow and shelves hotspot in the store. Beside our upcoming compact series, I'd like to introduce Edge-i, the Aetina cloud administration platform. It is a browser access management platform that allows you to use any browser with our concise UI design to monitor the status of all the devices in real time, such as CPU and GPU loading, storage temperature, and other components in edge devices to make sure that all the edge devices are working just fine. In addition, it could also support remote system recovery and reset, providing an efficient solution to most of the device's malfunction and saving lots of workforce to actually get to the device and reset manually. Edge-i is one of our software services. Aetina Intelligent Management, AIM, which include Edge Store and Edge Deploy, and that will be covered by TL Share in other GTC demand section. Aside from the auto-checkout, anti-theft detection, customer behavior analysis applications of smart retail, there are much more applications that can use Aetina's Pro AI service in the related field, as a smart warehouse with an automated guided vehicle to optimize warehouse management orderly and efficiently, or smart shopping cart, which could make your grocery shopping more personalized and achieve the zero-contact transaction. Beside the retail industry, Aetina's Pro AI service can be used in many other vertical markets, such as smart city, smart medical, factory automation, transportation, unmanned aerial vehicle, and more. Aetina is committed to investing in building up the most powerful edge computing platform for global customers. By the collaboration with the NVIDIA NPN Alliance, we not only aim to develop a strong ecosystem to provide comprehensive function in our platform to support different needs for different industries, but also improve overall quality and usability of the platform by enhancing software and hardware integration and strengthening the security of all perspectives to empower all partners in the Edge AI field. Thank you for listening. To learn more about our Edge AI platform, please visit our website, www.aetina.com. Follow us on Facebook or LinkedIn, or contact us by email, sales@aetina.com. And don't forget to scan the QR code to fulfill the questionnaire of the session. Give us some feedback and you'll have a chance to win $25 Starbucks virtual gift cards. Thanks again for joining us today. I'll see you next time.